Guys, just watch out, this is amazing type of water pressure creator. You can use this for washing cars, vehicles and homes and different types of doors also. This looks so amazing. It is easy to use, portable, and there is rechargeable battery also. Do you like this or not? Comment in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can reach 100k subscriber. Guys, thank you. Please like this video, guys, and comment down something. Is it good or not? Let's see what's the pressure of this. My god.